thing I want to talk about, not the last thing actually, the last thing in the platform that I want to talk about here in this list is the assessments. And this is maybe the most crucial and most important, especially when you are working on a blended, in a blended style. And if you click on assessment, the first thing you will see are the built-in question bank that comes with the platform. So as you can see, all these folders are actually folders that contain assessments, built-in assessments per module. So if I click on any of those, I can see the built-in assessment. So in this particular module, I have a pre-test, I have two lesson check formative assessments, and I have a summative assessment for the entire module. So those tests are actually printable or online assignable, or and can be edited as well. So if you don't like what they are about, you can always edit them. If I click on any of those, I can access the questions. So this particular one has 21 questions. If I want to see the content of each question, I can simply move the mouse so I can read it. And this is how can I read it. If I want to change anything in it, this is the type, of course, I can always click here and edit that question or remove it if I don't like it. Okay, and those are actually part of the entire question bank. In case you want to do your own assessment, you can always click on new and you give it a name. So I'm going to call it 25, create, and I will have options to add questions. I can add it from scratch, so I can write it myself, decide on the grade point, everything, or I can use the question bank. So if I choose the question bank, I select grade 7 test, and as you can see here, there are 537 questions for that particular grade. Okay, I can filter those, so I can filter them by standard, by depth of knowledge, the enhanced Bloom's taxonomy, or by type. So I can choose only multiple choice, and I can do many filtering as well. All I have to do is just select those, add, and they are added actually to my recently created. Save and exit. So my whatever I create, I can find in the my assessment. So this is the one that I have just created right now.